This is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. In academic research, understanding the nuances between a literature review and a literature review paper is essential. Let's delve into the differences between the two. A literature review, often abbreviated as LR, typically serves as a part of a larger work such as research papers, grant proposals, theses, or dissertations. Its nature is integrated, meaning it's embedded within the other document, providing context and background for a particular research question or hypothesis. On the contrary, a literature review paper, abbreviated as LRP, stands alone as a complete scholarly article solely dedicated to reviewing the literature on a specific topic. The purpose of a literature review is to offer the context and background, while in a literature review paper, the aim is to contribute new insights, frameworks, or perspectives to the existing body of literature. In terms of structure, a literature review is typically embedded within a research paper, grant proposal, or thesis found after the introduction and before the methodology sections. This research paper provides an illustrative example where the literature review is integrated within the introduction section. Conversely, a literature review paper follows a complete structure, including an introduction, methodologies, synthesis, analysis of findings, conclusion, and future scope. This review paper provides an illustrative example of a standalone structure of a literature review and is published as a dedicated review article. Literature review is generally shorter and more focused on the specific needs of the research project, whereas literature review paper is longer and more comprehensive and explores the topic in greater detail. Finally, in terms of originality, while literature reviews preliminary synthesize existing knowledge, whereas literature review papers are expected to make original contributions by offering new perspectives, ideas, or summarizing the literature in a unique way. Thank you for joining us for this overview of literature review versus literature review paper. Stay tuned for more educational content and don't forget to like and subscribe.